This is the sacred Halawa Valley. It was a place of secretness. It was where the sorcery priests lived, the ones who could pray you to death or pray you back to life if they chose. But they had to be careful because their spells sometimes had a boomerang effect, kind of a careful what you ask for sort of philosophy. And there is a lovely waterfall that we hiked up to where we swam out, and we goes higher. I'm going to do something weird. I'm going to turn it up like this so you can see the top of that waterfall. And we got to swim in this pool. Historical legend hike to have a Hawaiian guide who tells you the mysteries and the beauties of this wonderful valley. It's on Molokai. And it's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to.